So this is the '09 750 Li right here. I see you has any mods in the exhaust works. I had my exhaust redid, of course, yes. And this joker had 5 resonators on it, so I got rid of all of them. I started piece by piece to get the sound that I wanted to. Eventually just remove all my resonators. But let me give you a full sound and a rundown. That's my Ghost. You hear the monster? 500 horsepower, 750 Li, baby. I can't really get on it because across the street is the Congress lady, so you gotta be careful.